How to travel around Korea. OOOZ.
Hi guys, this is your Korean bestie.
OOOZ. Today we arrived at a cat cafe, right?
In Hongdae.
In Hongdae. And everybody knows about Hongdae, but then they don't know whether a special coffee like that, right?
Actually, there are lots of animal cafe in Hongdae, but we chose this cafe because like everyone likes cats.
Yeah, especially we.
Yeah.
Actually, we came here because we like cats. That's the reason why. Yeah, I like lizards too, but then not you, right?
No.
However, so now we're going upstairs to visit lots of cats. So excited! He's tall like this, and his toes are here.
이거 뭐라 하지?
The breaker.
No, sanitizer.
Let's sanitizer gel, and you see those things? Oh my god!
So you're here now, and you can get some ticket here. 9,001 per one person. Lemonade. So we got lemonade, and we can put our drink in here.
Got it.
Of course.
Dude, can I touch you?
Can I touch you?
This is the one with the blanket. He wants to sit down, but then he can't. See this? Miss, ma'am, you should not sleeping in here.
Yeah.
By the way, I dyed my hair to black because I got a job recently. I feel so sad about my hairs. And I see a cat coming.
Here's my favorite. Hi, kitty. Oh, what's your name?
So today we came here to see cats. You see them? And there was lots of cats near you, right?
Yeah, I know. I was sitting on the there, and then there was two cats already on my knee. Another one came to me and then tried to sit on my knee again.
I saw it.
Yeah, three of them tried to get me.
There was like 3 cats in her lap.
I know.
So if you really like somewhere you can see lots of cats. I think there is like 20 cats in here.
Really?
Right?
Yeah. I think more than 20.
Come over visit Hongdae to get some
Yeah.
attention from cats.
And hang out with them,
Yeah.
talk to them.
You can just spend like 2 hours in the floor.
You can take one free drink, so
It's very enough.
yeah.
So that was the end of our clip, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
and like our video. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye to us. Bye. Bye.